A water-cooled PC not only looks great, but it also provides much better cooling to the major components of your PC. Building a custom water cooling loop is a tough and tedious task compared to AIO and Air CPU coolers. Custom loop water cooling requires more space, especially when you are cooling your water block graphics card with it and using multiple radiators. Therefore, you need PC cases that are designed for extreme and advanced water cooling setups. When it comes to finding the perfect case for you, there's a lot to consider. And to help you find the best case, we have come with a list of 5 best gaming cases for extreme water cooling in 2020. Lian Li's latest case offering, the PC-O11 Dynamic, is a gorgeous chassis with large tempered glass panels, outstanding water cooling support, and a surprisingly reasonable price. This chassis features 2 sides that are made out of glass, while the top utilizes aluminum. The rest of the chassis is made out of steel. When it comes to cooling, this chassis can be equipped with up to 9 120mm spinners or a combination of 2 140mm and 6 120mm fans. All-in-one coolers and radiators up to 360mm can be installed on the top, side, and bottom of the chassis. When adding an all-in-one cooler or radiator in the side mounting location, the radiator can be installed in the primary compartment, or for a cleaner look or to make room for other components, the fans can be mounted in the main chamber with the radiator in the secondary chamber. As far as the storage options go, the PC-O11 Dynamic can accommodate up to 3 3.5-inch hard drives and a total of 6 2.5-inch hard drives or SSDs. It comes with 4 magnetic dust filters to prevent any dust infiltration. The I/O of the chassis consists of a USB 3.1 Type-C connector, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and the usual audio plugs. Overall, the PC-O11 Dynamic is a reasonably priced, full-featured chassis that would be a fantastic foundation for an exceptional system build. From mild to wild, this chassis can handle it all. Phanteks has unveiled a new flagship PC case named the Enthoo Elite. The full tower is so large that it can fit the most massive EATX motherboards and even has room for a second mini ITX, letting you build 2 full PCs in one case. Featuring a 4mm sandblasted aluminum exterior and toolless 4mm tempered glass window, the Enthoo Elite is made of beautiful materials engineered with utmost care and attention to detail. When it comes to cooling, you can install a 480mm or 560mm radiator in the front and 480mm or 420mm radiators on the top, bottom, and on the mid plate. You can also add a 360mm or 280mm radiator on the side panel and a 120mm or 140mm radiator in the rear. Phanteks supplies 5 140mm fans that are divided between the 2 PWM fan hubs, so by default the front 3 fans operate with one system and the upper and rear fans operate with a secondary system. In total, you can install 20 120mm fans or 17 140mm fans, which is pretty remarkable, although the 2 hubs can only control 12 fans between them. For storage space, it has 10 PCI slots, 13 internal 3.5 or 2.5-inch drive locations, and 6 2.5-inch SSD bracket. On the hidden front I/O, there is even a dial to let you jog between colors and modes of the Elite's lighting system. On the same concealed panel, you'll find USB 3.0 ports, USB-C, and even an HDMI to easily set up your virtual reality headset. If you are looking for the ultimate case with tons of room for activities and have the budget to spend, then the Phanteks Enthoo Elite is a premium option for you. Thermaltake pushes the limit of wall-mount full tower with the Core P7 Tempered Glass Edition full tower chassis. The Core P7 TG is a true open frame case with viewing capability of showing full front and back sides. The tempered glass panel features 5mm thickness that meets the highest standards in the industry. The most notable aspect of the Core P7 TG is that it delivers the ultimate extended chassis assembly flexibility thanks to 4 installation angle options, as it allows users to assemble the extended cases at 45°, 90°, 180°, and 270° angle to the front, rear side of the main chassis. Designed for high-end gaming system compatibility, the Core P7 TG main chassis supports motherboard up to standard eATX, a tower CPU cooler with a maximum height of 180mm, and a dual expansion slot VGA of up to 570mm in length without reservoir. The Core P7 TG features a powerful storage expansion solution which, through easy installation, houses up to 8 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch storage devices. Besides, users can remove the drive base to gain maximum space for cable management up to 45mm. The Core P7 TG has the capability to deliver an excellent cooling efficiency and enables users to build a complete thermal solution, including DIY, AIO liquid cooling systems, and air cooling units. Both of the main case and extended case support up to either a 480mm liquid cooling radiator or 3 140mm case fans with a long graphics card at the same time. The Core P7 TG is designed for use in 3 different ways: wall mount, vertical, and horizontal placement. Built for customization that reflects the maker's personality, it allows for adjustments to the chassis of the best viewing presentation while ensuring outstanding cooling performance. The Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D is the ultimate super tower PC case, able to house the most incredible PCs within its iconic tempered glass design. Hinged tempered glass and aluminum doors make accessing your system a breeze, while a dual system layout lets you install 2 full PCs into a single case. The Obsidian Series 1000D can feed both a complete eATX and mini ITX system concurrently, so you can stream and game smoothly from one enclosure. This PC case comes with a massive cooling option that supports up to 18 fan mounts and room for up to 4 80mm radiators simultaneously. There are a wide variety of ways you can rearrange your radiators and fans to ensure you have the best result. It features smooth, toolless modular radiator mounting trays for installing fans and radiators effortlessly. The massive 1000D features storage space for up to 5 3.5-inch HDDs and 6 2.5-inch SSDs, each in their own dedicated compartments. A rotatable GPU bracket for standard or vertical GPU mounting and a wealth of pump and reservoir feed points throughout the case make the 1000D most flexible and modular Corsair case ever. It comes with an RGB LED lit front panel that includes 2 USB 3.1 Generation 2 Type-C ports alongside 4 USB 3.0 ports for feature-proof and backward-compatible connectivity. The Corsair iQ software brings your case to life with dynamic synchronized RGB lighting across your whole system, customizable fan speeds for silent fans, and advanced system monitoring. For a well-off DIY PC enthusiast who wants to make a midlife crisis gaming rig with a few massive radiators, gratuitous fan and storage capacity, and a sleek tempered glass design, the Corsair Obsidian 1000D dual system PC case could be a viable option. The Level 20 is the next generation of the Level 10 Extreme Gaming chassis, featuring a gaming-oriented design with architectural aesthetics. The 3-hinged swing doors are made with premium quality 4mm thick tempered glass windows with smart lock design that provide durability and superb viewing capability. The Level 20 utilizes trial chamber design to achieve ventilation and space management optimization. On the power supply chamber, it supports both vertical and horizontal power supply orientations, allowing versatile placement options. On the motherboard chamber, it supports up to ATX motherboards and 360mm radiator as well as 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans. The motherboard chamber can also institute rise cable or AIO liquid cooling systems. The storage LCS chamber is capable of instituting powerful data management or liquid cooling solution system. Entailed with detailed functionality and immense storage with up to 11 drive locations for 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch devices, including 6 at the back of the motherboard chamber, 2 in front of the motherboard chamber and 3 in LCS chamber. The Level 20 is installed with the latest USB 3.1 Type-C port to provide 10 gigabits per second of transmission speed. It has 3 built-in 3 Ring Plus 14 RGB fans and 2 Lumi Plus LED strips to enhance the ventilation while lighting up Level 20 with 16.8 million gorgeous illumination colors. All this can be controlled with the included Ring Plus RGB controller and Ring Plus RGB software, allowing users to custom control fan speeds and lighting effects. Compatible with the latest PC hardware, AIO and DIY liquid cooling solutions, the commemorative Level 20 delivers not just an unprecedented design but also a jaw-dropping performance. So that was all about the 5 best gaming cases for extreme water cooling. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.